In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert pictures in PowerPoint 2016 step by step. Whether you're creating a school presentation, a business report, or a slideshow for personal use, adding images can make your slides more engaging, professional, and visually appealing. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can follow along easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy PowerPoint guides. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Microsoft PowerPoint 2016 on your computer. You can open an existing presentation that you're working on, or you can create a new blank presentation if you want to practice. Once PowerPoint is open, navigate to the slide where you want to insert your picture. You can select an existing slide from the left panel, or click on New Slide at the top to add a fresh one. Now that you're on the slide where you want your image, look at the top of the screen at the ribbon menu. You'll see several tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, and more. Click on the Insert tab. This tab contains all the options you need to add different elements to your slide, including pictures, shapes, charts, and text boxes. After clicking on Insert, look for the Pictures option in the toolbar. It's usually located in the Images group. Click on Pictures. When you click this option, you'll see different choices for where you want to insert the image from. Since we're inserting a picture saved on your computer, click on this device. In some versions, it may say From File, but in PowerPoint 2016, it typically shows as this device. Once you click on this device, a File Explorer window will open. This allows you to browse through your folders and select the image you want to use. Navigate to the folder where your picture is saved. Click on the image file to select it, and then click the Insert button at the bottom right of the window. As soon as you do that, the picture will appear on your slide. Now that the image is inserted, you can adjust it to fit your design. To resize the picture, click on it once. You'll notice small circular handles appear around the edges and corners. To resize proportionally and avoid stretching the image, click and drag one of the corner handles inward to make it smaller or outward to make it larger. Try to avoid dragging the side handles unless you intentionally want to change the width or height independently. You can also reposition the image anywhere on the slide. Simply click and hold the picture, then drag it to the desired location. If you want to align it perfectly, you can use the alignment guides that appear automatically as you move it around. If you'd like to further customize the picture, you can click on the Format tab that appears when the image is selected. From there, you can add picture styles, borders, effects, adjust brightness and contrast, or even crop the image. To crop, click on Crop in the Format tab, then drag the black handles to trim the edges of the image. Press Enter or click outside the image to apply the crop. And that's it. That's how you insert pictures in PowerPoint 2016. Open your presentation, go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, choose this device, select your image, and then resize and position it the way you want. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.